Welcome to SAM Official Tech. Explore advanced agricultural machines and tech for boosting farm productivity. Stay tuned for the best farming solutions. Bacchus is a compost turner used in agriculture to aerate and mix organic materials. It helps speed up the composting process by turning and stirring compost piles. The machine ensures even distribution of air, promoting faster decomposition and producing nutrient-rich compost, which enhances soil fertility for farming. The EcoLog 500 is a versatile forestry machine used for logging and timber processing. It features a powerful crane and cutting head, enabling efficient tree felling, delimbing, and processing. Its advanced hydraulic system provides precise control, making it ideal for working in tough terrains while improving productivity and reducing fuel consumption in forestry operations. The Orbital 05 is a compact and efficient agricultural machine designed for soil cultivation. It is equipped with advanced tilling technology that helps break up compacted soil, improving aeration and water infiltration. This enhances soil health and prepares fields for planting, making it an essential tool for modern farming. The Terra Variant 435 is a versatile agricultural machine used for soil cultivation and seedbed preparation. It is equipped with advanced tillage tools that help break up compacted soil and improve its structure. The machine ensures uniform soil consistency, enhancing water retention and root growth, making it ideal for efficient farming and better crop yields. The Vermeer SC1052 is a compact stump grinder designed for efficient stump removal. It features a powerful engine and a durable cutting system that allows quick grinding of stumps and roots, making it ideal for land clearing and preparing fields for agricultural use. The K4 platform is an advanced agricultural machine designed for efficient crop management. It provides stability and support for various field operations, including planting, spraying, and harvesting. The platform's adjustable features allow it to navigate different terrains, enhancing productivity while ensuring precision and ease of use during agricultural tasks. The SMH CSU bucket elevator is an essential machine used in agriculture for transporting bulk materials like grains, seeds, and fertilizers. It uses a series of buckets attached to a rotating chain to lift materials vertically. This efficient system ensures fast and safe movement of products, minimizing handling and maximizing productivity in grain handling and storage facilities. The ER122.000L4 is a high-performance agricultural machine designed for efficient soil cultivation. It is equipped with a powerful hydraulic system that enables precise control over tillage depth and soil aeration. This machine improves soil structure, enhances water absorption, and promotes better root development, making it ideal for preparing fields for planting and boosting crop productivity. The DeWolf RA3060 is a high-performance agricultural machine designed for efficient harvesting of root crops, such as potatoes. It features advanced technology for gentle lifting and sorting, ensuring minimal crop damage. The machine's efficient design helps improve productivity, reduce labor costs, and optimize harvest quality, making it ideal for large-scale farms. The Envodan is an innovative agricultural machine designed for efficient manure handling and spreading. It collects, processes, and evenly distributes organic materials like manure or compost across fields. With its precise control and even spreading mechanism, it helps improve soil fertility, enhances crop growth, and reduces labor costs, making it an essential tool for sustainable farming practices. The CAT S3070 is a robust agricultural machine designed for material handling and transportation on farms. It features a powerful engine and a durable frame, making it ideal for moving heavy loads like soil, compost, and equipment. The machine's high mobility and stability allow it to work efficiently across various terrains, enhancing productivity in farming operations. The Stavoplast KL is an agricultural machine used for efficient handling and processing of bulk materials like compost and manure. It features a durable design with a reliable conveyor system that ensures smooth material transfer. The machine helps improve farm productivity by quickly and evenly distributing organic materials. The Westtech Woodcrack W1000 is an advanced agricultural machine used for processing wood and logs. It efficiently cracks and splits wood into smaller pieces for biomass production or firewood. With its powerful engine and robust design, it ensures fast, precise operation, improving productivity in forestry and wood processing tasks. The OTR debeater is an agricultural machine designed for removing clods and rocks from the soil. It efficiently loosens and separates unwanted debris, improving soil quality for better planting conditions. The machine's robust design ensures durability and effectiveness, making it ideal for preparing fields and enhancing crop growth. The Eurodrain ATR 450 is an advanced agricultural machine used for drainage and soil preparation. It efficiently installs drainage pipes to improve water flow and prevent soil erosion. Its robust design allows for precise trenching, making it ideal for maintaining proper field drainage and enhancing crop productivity in wet conditions. The Yelho Scorpio 550 is a versatile agricultural machine designed for efficient grass harvesting and forage collection. It features a robust rotor and advanced cutting system, allowing for quick and precise cutting. The machine is ideal for farmers, as it ensures high productivity while maintaining quality, especially in challenging field conditions, helping improve feed quality for livestock. The Simon Liner is an agricultural machine used for creating perfect hay swaths. It efficiently gathers and lines up the cut grass for faster drying. Equipped with adjustable rakes, it ensures uniform and gentle handling of the crop, improving drying time and quality, making it ideal for hay and forage preparation. The Force 325 is a powerful agricultural machine designed for soil preparation and cultivation. It features a robust frame and high-performance hydraulics, making it ideal for tilling and breaking up compacted soil. The machine improves soil aeration, ensuring better root development and enhancing overall crop growth for farmers. The De Pietri Hoover RS48 is an agricultural machine designed for efficient soil cultivation and preparation. It features a robust, high-capacity design, ideal for removing stones, rocks, and debris from the soil. This improves soil quality and ensures smoother land for planting, enhancing productivity in agricultural operations. The TG7000 tub grinder is a heavy-duty agricultural machine designed for grinding and processing large volumes of organic material, such as wood, crop residues, and compost. Its powerful engine and durable design allow for efficient grinding, reducing waste and turning materials into fine mulch, making it ideal for farming and land clearing operations. The FC465 is an advanced agricultural machine designed for efficient field cultivation. It features high-performance tillage tools that help break up compacted soil, improving aeration and water absorption. This results in better soil structure and promotes healthier crop growth, making it ideal for enhancing productivity in various farming operations. The Van Hoek is a versatile agricultural machine used for efficiently handling and processing crops. It is designed to perform multiple tasks, such as harvesting, transporting, and sorting materials. Its robust construction and advanced features help improve productivity, reduce labor costs, and ensure high-quality output in various farming operations. VitasM mechanical seed drills are advanced agricultural machines designed for precise seed planting. They ensure uniform seed placement and accurate depth control, improving crop establishment. The drill's robust design allows it to work efficiently in various soil types, enhancing planting speed and productivity, while reducing seed waste and ensuring optimal germination. The Techniquero Slag Taurus is a specialized agricultural machine used for handling and processing slag and other materials in farming. It efficiently collects and processes waste materials, turning them into useful byproducts for soil enhancement. The machine's robust design ensures high productivity, improving soil quality and supporting sustainable farming practices. The Krone Big X is a high-performance forage harvester used for efficient crop harvesting. It is designed to chop and collect grass, maize, and other crops with precision. The powerful machine ensures optimal forage quality by providing consistent cutting and high throughput, making it ideal for large-scale farming operations and silage production. The Taylor Farms Cabbage Harvester is an efficient agricultural machine designed for harvesting cabbage crops. It features adjustable blades and a conveyor system to carefully cut and collect the cabbage heads. This machine improves harvesting speed, reduces labor costs, and ensures minimal crop damage, making it ideal for large-scale cabbage farming. The TLF Air Core is an innovative agricultural machine designed for efficient soil sampling. It uses a high-performance core sampling system to collect soil samples with minimal disturbance. This allows farmers to analyze soil health accurately, optimizing fertilization and crop management practices, ultimately improving yield and soil quality in farming operations.